Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear Khyber team. We have just casted our freshly concrete slab for the first floor slab and beams of GPS Awal Khan school. The day come the steel installation per 25 or 26 February band show. Or the day come electrical conduits to our 28 February band show on come the 5 hours ki that slab casting show. It is rich cement, sand, mortar, rich cement, sand, coarse aggregate, mortar, and we have maintained the water cement ratio between 0.45 around, and we've used proper vibrators. Or the day come antifreezing agents they cold weather the para the weather condition is cold day use ko pake. And right now this is the weather. It's a cloudy and it's seems like slight rain is coming at Awal Khan terrains. So we're going to cover this slab right now with the polythene sheet. The proper protection was also comb per contractor bande through time to time check comb further rectifications. But till now this is perfectly casted. GPS Awal Khan school, lot 2 first floor slab and beams. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.